vice captains Raihan M.A., Veda Biju and other team members onto the stage. And I also invite the house mother, Mrs. Shirley ma'am, and all Viking house teachers onto the stage. Please put your hands together for the entire team of Viking House. Prestigious award of Fact Udyog Mandal School, MRS, Most Representative Student Award, grand highlight of this evening. MRS for Class 10 and MRS for Class 12. From past few years, it was instituted along with Shahul Memorial Award. Shahul Hassan was a student of our school during the period of 1997 to 2009. After BTech, he joined in CRPF as Assistant Commandant in September 2015. In November 2019, while working in Jharkhand, he sacrificed his life for his subordinates. He was a brave officer. We salute you, sir, from the bottom of our heart. So, Shahul Memorial Award is presented to the most representative student of Class 10 and 12. And this is the most coveted award that one student can receive from Fact Udyog Mandal School. The most representative student is most democratically and very carefully selected. First and foremost, the subject teachers nominate the most suitable candidates. In the process of selecting the ideal students, the following aspects are considered: above average in studies, good in co-curricular activities, leadership quality, responsibility and obedience, total involvement in school activities, impressive personality. Later, the entire staff vote for these nominated ones. The student who gets the maximum vote in this round is considered to be the most representative student. And in this year, our nominees are Fatima Sehra, Madhavas Menon and Nathan Dominic Philip. Let's have them on stage now. Yeah, I call upon Fatima Sehra. Please come forward and join us. And it's my pleasure to request the presence of Sundari ma'am. I invite Balan sir, father of Shahul Hassan, to join us on the dais. And now it's time to disclose the result of MRS for Class 10. I request our Principal Neetu ma'am to announce the winners. Let's stay right on the edge. The winner is about to be revealed. Over to you, ma'am.
A very prestigious, most awaited MRS award. This is a true journey of these students. It's not only the academics, it's the attitude, the behavior, everything counts in this juncture. So the MRS of Class 10 2025 of Fact Udyog Mandal School is none other than Madhav S. Menon. I invite his proud parents on stage.
That's absolutely fantastic. Congratulations, Madhav. Please put your hands together for Madhav S. Menon. I also request his proud parents, Mr. Sumesh Menon and Mrs. Jyoti, to join us on the dais. Now I request Sundari ma'am to hand over the MRS 2025 to Madhav S. Menon. And I would like to invite Balan sir, father of Shahul Hassan, to give away the cash prize and memento. Yes, MRS 2025. Crown goes to the true star. His hard work, dedication, talent, leadership have set him apart. His commitment, perseverance, and exemplary character make him truly deserving of this honor. Young Man of the Year. Please give thunderous round of applause to our MRS 2025, Madhav S. Menon. presenting the MRS Award for Class 12. And our nominees are Alona Anthony, Lakshmi K. Shivan and Rana M. Tiyash. Let's have them on stage. To reveal the winner, I warmly invite our Principal Neetu ma'am. Let's hold this edge of excitement. The winner is moment away. Handing over to you, ma'am.
The MRS of 2025 of class 12 is the one who received it in class 10 also, and it is none other than Lakshmi K. Shivan of class 12.
Yes, MRS for class 12 goes to Lakshmi K. Shivan, a double MRS title holder. What a stunning achievement. I welcome her proud parents, Mr. Shivan and Mrs. Shrija Shivan, to join us on stage. Now I request Sundari ma'am to hand over the MRS 2025 to Lakshmi K. Shivan, and I welcome Balan sir to give over the cash prize and the memento. Achiever who has once again proved her brilliance. She was the MRS of class 10 and today she claims the crown of class 12 as well. What an extraordinary journey of excellence. Let's give her a thunderous round of applause, please. To a very special honor, the Most Eligible Student Award. This award recognizes a student who stands out through her discipline, dedication and outstanding qualities both in academics and character. With great respect and admiration, I warmly invite Balan sir to hand over the cash prize. The Most Eligible Student Award goes to none other than Neha Nizar. Please put hands together for Neha Nizar. It's a moment of pride to her to honor a student who truly stands out. Her dedication, talent and hard work makes her the most deserving of this recognition. Thank you, sir. The moment we have all been waiting for has finally arrived. After many exciting days of competition, performance and display of talent, the moment that decides the overall champions 2025. It's my privilege to invite our esteemed chief guest, Mrs. Rajalakshmi ma'am, to hand over the award. And now the moment of recognition for our brilliant second runner-up, the team that has shown remarkable skill, determination and a strong finish. Our second runner-up takes the stage. Yes, our second runner-up of 2025 goes to Pioneer House with 209 points. I invite the house captain, Ayulya Cage, and vice captains, Adil Shah, Janatul Firdaus, and the team onto the stage. And I also welcome the house mother of Pioneer, Mrs. Reshma ma'am, and all the house teachers of Pioneer to join us on stage. Please put your hands together for our Pioneer House. And now the team that has come close to top spot. This team proved their strength in every moment with exceptional talent and a stellar stellar performance. They shine as our proud first runner-up team. Yes, we proudly announce the first runner-up, and it goes to none other than Apollo House with 243 points. I call upon the Apollo House captain Adityan Yesus, vice captains Lamiel Pilalu, Darshini Kritika, and other members onto the stage. And with immense pleasure, I invite the house mother Christina ma'am and also house teachers of Apollo to join us on stage. Please put hands together for the whole team of Apollo House. And the time has come to crown the ultimate champions. The title every house is fought for, the honor every team dreamed of. Presenting the overall champions of 2025. They dominated, they dazzled, they conquered. This prestigious title is awarded to the team with unmatched skill, unbeatable teamwork, and unwavering dedication. Here announcing the overall champions who will take home the top honors. Any guesses? Yes, the overall champions of 2025 goes to none other than Sputnik House with 286 points. With immense pleasure, I invite the house captain Rihan Ahmed, vice captains Akshit Krishna, Richard Rose, and other team members onto the stage. They also invite the house mother Elsa ma'am and all the house teachers of Sputnik House to join us on the dais. Please make the loudest noise for our champions. Your victory is not just a trophy, it's a legacy of strength, teamwork, discipline, and pure excellence. Let's give them a loudest applause of the day. Last but definitely not the least, get ready for the most thrilling part of our day. For the first time ever, we introduce the lucky draw at Factory Diok Mandal School. We are presenting first prize of rupees 3,000, second prize of rupees 2,000, and third prize of rupees 1,000, and consolation prizes of rupees 500 each for the fourth and fifth prize winners. The draw has been completed, these lucky numbers have been chosen, and now it's time to honor our winners. I invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Mrs. Rajalakshmi ma'am, to hand over the cash prize. And now the first prize of Lucky Draw 2025 worth rupees 3,000 goes to Tarun Jairaj of Class 6. And I also invite his parents to join us on stage. Please give him a big round